How to assemble your Mackworth FSG gantry. 1. Determine where the product is going to be installed and clear the area from any obstacles. 2. Place a single foot onto a level surface and remove the star handle from its fixing. 3. Insert the bottom of the support post into the foot as shown. Ensure to use both hands to support the post while inserting. 4. Insert the star handle through the foot and post assembly and secure tightly. 5. Repeat steps 2 through 4 for the other foot and post assembly and position them approximately 8.2 feet apart. Six, place the track onto the support post using the locating pin on the post to align the track correctly. 7. Secure the track to the support post by tightening the star handles as shown. This should remove lateral movement. 8. To adjust the height of the gantry, first remove the safety and linch pins found on both support posts. 9. Press the latch found on the support post and raise the track vertically until the desired height has been reached. This must be done on both posts. 10. Once the desired height has been reached, release the latch and ensure it locates into the nearest hole found on the moving post. Ensure this is done on both support posts and that the posts are set to the same height. 11. Reinsert the safety and linch pins into both support posts. Note, the top post must be lifted slightly to enable the pin to slide in correctly. 12. To adjust the width of the gantry, raise one of the legs of the floor and push or pull the leg to the desired width. This is done easier with 2 people. 13. If required, adjust the self-leveling screws to improve stability. Always refer to the commissioning manual for full details before any work commences.